Home is more than where you live, it's where life happens. Welcome to the Estates at Heritage Lakes by DSLD Homes, a beautiful new home community in New Market, Alabama, where peaceful surroundings meet the convenience of the Huntsville area. Designed for the way today's families live, the Estates at Heritage Lakes offers thoughtfully crafted homes with spacious floor plans, modern finishes, and the quality construction DSLD Homes is known for. Step inside and discover open concept living spaces designed for gathering, chef-inspired kitchens featuring granite countertops, custom birch cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. These homes offer a variety of spacious ranch-style and two-story layouts, ranging from 3 to 6 bedrooms, and include 2-car and select 3-car garage options with 2 to 3 full bathrooms. Beyond your front door, you'll enjoy everything that makes this area one of North Alabama's most desirable places to call home. Spend weekends kayaking the Flint River, camping at Sharon Johnston Park, or fishing at Madison County Lake. Local attractions like Tate Farms, Big Spring Park, and the U.S. Space and Rocket Center offer fun for the entire family. Enjoy an easy commute to Redstone Arsenal, Toyota Motor Manufacturing, and Downtown Huntsville. Whether you're purchasing your first home or searching for the perfect place to put down roots, the Estates at Heritage Lakes offers the space, quality, and location you've been looking for.